automated system. And how may I help you today?
Yes, I was wanting to get my smart meter removed off my house, and I was wanting to get a non-RF meter put on, or a mechanical meter, non-RF.
Okay, we'll be happy to assist you with that. So just one moment, please.
Okay, thank you.
Close the account information. You're welcome. I'm just checking the service here, so I'll just be a moment.
Okay.
Okay, so as of right now, we have not installed the new smart meter at your home, and I'm just checking to see if we're in your area. I don't believe that we're. Did you receive a letter from us?
No, it was actually put on when the place was built. It's definitely a RF meter. It's digital. It's got an RF FCC code number on it, which means it's putting out a frequency.
Okay, yeah. So you have the regular. We have the regular AMI meter, AMR meter.
Yeah, right. I know
So
there's some
you have
differences
okay.
on the smart meter, AMR meter.
Okay.
Yes, but I was wanting to have a non-RF meter so it doesn't
Okay.
put out any frequencies at all.
Okay. Yes, sir. And so what I'll be required to do is transfer you over to the construction hotline because we handle the smart meters, and we haven't reached your area for the smart meters.
Okay,
So
so
to go ahead and change out now, I'll be required to transfer you over to the construction hotline, and the construction hotline advisor will be happy to assist you on getting the non-standard meter added on.
okay, that sounds great.
Okay, you're welcome, and sorry for the inconvenience here. So hold just one moment, please,
All right.
and I'll get some additional help for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. One moment, sir. Okay, thank you for calling Ameron, Missouri. It looks like that there's 5 individuals that are ahead of you. If you would like to hold, you can do so, or I can give you the direct phone number, and I'll have the account noted for you, and you can call back later this afternoon if you'd like, or first thing in the morning.
Yeah, that might make some sense. I appreciate your help here. So, what's the direct phone number?
The direct line to the construction hotline is toll free. It is 866 992 6619.
Okay, and why did they call it a construction hotline? Is that just because it's working on the house, or from the smart meter standpoint?
The current AMR meters that we have, they're the department that handles the non-standard meters.
Okay.
If you have the AMI meter, the new smart meter, then you would be speaking to the correct person.
Okay. All right. So this 866-992-6619. That's the proper number to talk to someone about removing my meter.
Yes. And let them know you do not have the new smart meter, and so, but I'll have it all noted on the account on what needs to be done.
Yeah, I guess the AMR and the smart, they sound about the same. Is it just the smart meter puts out a different frequency besides one that maybe talks to different devices in the house, or what's the difference between the smart meter and the AMI or AMR? Do you know?
Yeah, with the AMR meter, it's the current meters that are on the homes right now.
Okay.
And we're switching all 1.2 million of those meters to the new AMI meters. With the new AMI meters, we can get readings up to every 15 minutes throughout the day. There's some people that like to follow their usage throughout the day, see what they're using, and there's some that just don't care, like myself, just get one reading a day, and that you can check on your account if you'd like to do so, and how much usage you're using within a certain time frame. Also, it's a two-way communication. Like if there is, you have an outage at your home, the radio frequency will be transmitted to one of our departments, and they can talk back to it to see what type of outage it is. Like if there's a wire down, and they can check with other homes in your area to see if they're out as well. And so it helps better detect outages and things along that line. And then also we're able to better detect each appliance in your home, like the refrigerator or the microwave or the electric stove. They give off certain dings throughout the day when they're in use, and so we can determine which usage is what you're actually using more. So some people want to know, well, how much is my air conditioning using? And then you can go online and look at your account, and you can say, oh, this month my air conditioner used this much of the service.
Okay, so my meter I have now is actually called the AMR.
Yes, you have the old standard, the current standard meter.
And the new one is called what then?
The AMI.
AMI. Okay.
AMI. Yes.
And that's considered AMI, but it's also considered a smart meter.
Yes, that's the smart meter.
Okay, so that one use two different frequencies, like 2.45 gigahertz and the 9.95 gigahertz. Is it two different frequencies on the new one? Do you know?
No, sir, and I am sorry.
Oh, that's okay. You've been very helpful. I just was kind of curious.
Yes, so because the actual frequency that I know that is used, I don't know what the actual gigahertz used, but it's the same that radio frequency that is used like with the cell phones, the Wi-Fi,
Yep.
TV monitors, things along that line.
Yeah, that's a 2.45. Yeah, I just didn't know if they had another Zigbee in there and a 0.95 frequency. I didn't know if they have two different ones or one and that type of thing. I was just curious. So yeah, that's great. So I'll call back about the AMI with the construction phone number you gave me today. And you think it was the best time to call in the mornings, you think, or call in the afternoon?
We're open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Today we're just extra busy because of yesterday was a holiday.
Oh, okay, that
All
makes
volume
sense.
is just really high today. So you could possibly wait until later this afternoon, maybe around 5 o'clock, because most people probably think we close at 5.
Okay.
So I would probably wait until after 5 o'clock or first thing in the morning, because we open at 7 a.m.
Okay, that sounds great. Do you know what it costs for me to take it off, or what fees involved in that? Do you know?
With the fees, if you want to go with the non-standard meter, there is a one-time setup charge of $100.
Okay.
And then there's a $40 manual read fee.
Okay.
And that's required because we have to send someone physically out to read the meter.
Yeah, I get that. Just curiosity, can we get the old mechanical meter that we used to have years ago, versus it's mechanical, where it just measures the amperage, it doesn't measure the amperage and voltages. The new ones a lot of times will pick up the voltage frequencies too and the amperage. I just didn't know if we can get the old kind of mechanical meters.
Okay. No, I don't even know if we even have those anymore. I was just looking at your account because this meter has been on your account since 2016.
Yep.
And so any other meter, I don't believe that we would even have available. But the construction hotline, they would maybe be able to tell you if we have any other type of meter. But right now, that we have the non-standard meter, those are fairly new, but I don't know what type, how they actually work. I just know that they do not send out the radio frequencies.
Yep.
And that we have to come out and do the reading.
Yeah, the reason I was asking was there's like a switch mode power supply in there on the digital ones, non-RFs. It goes from the higher voltage to lower voltages, and it kind of injects some other frequencies back onto the lines. So the mechanical one, they actually ran on 120 volts or 240 volts, and they didn't have a switch mode power supply in it. So that's the reason why I was kind of curious about it. But you've been a really big help. Thank you so much, and I'll call them back a little bit later on today.
Okay, that's fine, because it looks like there's like 3 people that are ahead of you right about now.
Yeah, how much would
to wait?
I could wait? Yeah, how long do you think that would be on the average? You think?
I'm not sure of, but what you can do is once I transfer you over, After about a minute, it'll ask if you would like to leave your name and number, and then we will call you back.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
I guess go ahead and transfer me over. That sounds great.
Okay. All right, sir. And again, my name's Kim. Is there anything else, Mr. Workman, I can help you with today?
No, Kim, you've been very pleasant. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. And it looks like it's dropped down to 2 people.
All right. We're on fire then.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you again for calling Ameron, Missouri, and you have a great day.
You too. Thanks so much. Now, you're going to transfer me over now, right?
Yes, I'm going to transfer you now.
Okay. Thank you.
For a moment, please.